On February 18th, the President announced a series of initiatives to address the housing crisis and help American homeowners. These programs were designed to keep mortgage interest rates low, to allow homeowners to refinance, and to help families lower their monthly mortgage payments, stay in their homes. Alongside actions with the Federal Reserve, mortgage interest rates in the United States now are at historic lows. But just as this administration has intensified our efforts to help American homeowners, those who would seek to prey on the most vulnerable are intensifying their tactics as well, often through purported mortgage modification and foreclosure relief companies. These are predatory schemes designed to rob Americans of their savings and potentially their homes. Today we are announcing a major interagency effort to combat foreclosure rescue scams. I'm very pleased to be joined here today by Attorney General Eric Holder, the Secretary of Housing and Urban Development Sean Donovan, Federal Trade Commission Chairman John Leibowitz, and Lisa Madigan, the Illinois Attorney General. Their presence here today underscores our deep commitment to protect American consumers and borrowers and to cooperate closely at both the federal and state level. Now, contributing to these joint efforts, Treasury is announcing two initiatives today. First, Treasury's Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, known as FinCEN, is issuing an advisory to help financial institutions spot questionable loan modification schemes and report that information for law enforcement purposes. The advisory provides red flags for financial institutions to help better identify a loan modification or foreclosure scam. Second, we're announcing a targeted effort coordinated by FinCEN to deter fraudulent activity and combat these fraudulent loan modification schemes. FinCEN, working with our partners from the law enforcement and regulatory communities, will utilize information provided by the financial industry alongside with other information supplied by the agencies involved to identify fraud suspects for civil and criminal investigation. FinCEN will also help law enforcement agencies streamline and coordinate their efforts so that the resources of multiple investigative and prosecutorial agencies are focused in the most efficient way. I'd like to thank Jim Freeze and his team at FinCEN for taking the lead in this effort. What today's announcement means for the American homeowner is this. We will shut down fraudulent companies more quickly than before. We will target companies that otherwise would have gone unnoticed under the radar, and we will aggressively pursue individuals involved in mortgage rescue scams. Now, to the homeowners taking part in our new loan modification scheme, a few important messages. Know that free help is available through nonprofits and government agencies in your communities. You can go online and seek them out. Be cautious of anyone or any organization that claims to guarantee success or seeks to charge upfront fees for services related to these programs. Those are red flags not to be ignored. And if you have any questions about how our plan works, go to makinghomeaffordable.gov. This website is a great resource to help better understand the help that the administration's putting in place. Now let me just close by saying that one of the lessons of this financial crisis is that failures in consumer protection cause enormous damage, not just to American families, but to the stability of the financial system. Aggressive action at the earliest stage will make it more difficult for bad actors to engage in fraudulent activity, and it'll help restore confidence in the basic fabric of our financial system.